Replace your microphone cover every 3 months. Or if the microphone protectors look dirty, or if you notice any loss in sound quality. To start, hold the coil cable grip and firmly pull it straight out of the processing unit. Do not tug on the flexible part of the coil cable or twist the coil cable when you pull it out of the processing unit. Lift the microphone cover from the bottom edge, then lift it up to remove. Next, insert the new microphone cover. Fit the replacement microphone cover onto the processing unit. Press down firmly with a finger on each end and the middle of the microphone cover until you feel it click. Then, push your coil cable into the processing unit until it clicks. Do not twist. For more information, visit our website.